What do I carry in the first aid kit of my car as an emergency physician, knowing that working in the field is not my day-to-day routine, so not my area of comfort or expertise necessarily, but this is what I stock. So I've got some gloves, I've got a pocket mask with a one-way valve, got oral airways that come in different sizes and can help with, say, if the tongue's getting in the way. I've got a tourniquet on a windlass system, easy to use, can help for life-threatening bleeding around an arm or a leg. Got some shears to cut away clothing if necessary. Stethoscope, that's just a spare. And I've got this card. It's for mass casualty incidents in case I have to remember who to tag for situations where there are more people in need of help than there are providers available. Got a Sharpie so that someone can write something on the skin of a patient before they are transported to help communicate with another team member that might be picking up that care in the hospital setting. Got other odds and ends too if people are interested.